Hi guys, welcome back to my channel and welcome to my StockMojo review. So StockMojo is the newest launch by Artflair and it is going live on the 3rd of September. So in this review I'll give you, I'll show you what it's like inside of the members area. I have the review access and then we'll go through the sales page. I'll show you all of the upsells. We'll go through the prices, and also for those who are interested in making real money online, I have some amazing free offers, and the link to them I'll put below this review. But for now, let's just focus on the product. I'll talk more about the free offers at the end, so stick with me till the end if you're up for some cool freebies. Alright, so let's go ahead. So this is the sales page of StockMojo. Okay, as you can see, they give you some discount here. I mean, it's like typical stuff. It's kind of like if you hover over and you want to exit the sales page, this pop-up will pop up just to give you a discount and, like make you buy, obviously. But that's typical. Anyhow, let's close this and let's see what they say. But before we do that, okay, let me show you the members area. I'll show you what's inside. And then also, this is you can use this code as well, but they give you the discount anyway, if you want to exit the sales page without, making the purchase. But here, take a note of this coupon as well if you want to make use of it. And I'll attach the link to the sales page below my review because I think it can be a useful product. I mean, I'll give you some free alternatives. You don't necessarily have to buy it, but if you kind of want to have it all together, all of the free, as you can see, 65 million plus royalty free stock assets. So like images, videos, audios, memes, GIFs, animations and more. Okay, then you can just get it. And then you're gonna have like a video and image editor. You can get background remover as well. Now, having said that, guys, you can obviously find it all for free. Okay, online. If you don't know where to find it, just I'll show you. Wait, like hold your horses, and I'll show you everything. Yeah. But yeah, if you want to have it all together in one like cloud-based software, you may as well get it. Okay. Now this is the vendor. Let me just show you his profile. So Artflair works with two other guys. Okay, let me just connect my charger. Okay, hi guys, I'm back. So this is the guy, Artflair. Okay, and he works with two other guys, and they are called something like Black Team Belt, something like that. So yeah, that's his score on Warrior Plus. You make up your mind, guys. Okay. Now here's like loads of products he has released. He's a frequent launcher on Warrior Plus. Just be aware of that. Okay, let's shut that. And I've shown you the coupon. Cool. Now let me show you the whole funnel. We'll go through the prices and the whole funnel, the upsells, at the end. But now let's go quickly through the sales page and see what they claim, what it is, and then let's see how if it goes hand in hand with the actual product. Ideally want to see that, how those two correspond. Yeah, so anyhow, instantly access unlimited cloud-based library of 65 million plus royalty-free stock assets, including images, videos, audios, memes, GIFs, animations, and more for a silly low-time price. Well, silly. Money is money. Money is not silly. We include one-click editor that allows you to customize and sell any image, video, or audio, free commercial license and free agency license included. So, just in case you wanted to use it as a sort of like freelancer for your clients, stuff like that, And then they say instant unlimited access to 65 million plus stock assets, no monthly fees ever. Okay, save thousands a year on photos, videos, and music. I mean, no, come on, I don't agree with that. You don't have to, save what? You can get them all for free. I'll show you which platforms you can get them from, guys, just in case you still don't know it. Stop wasting time trying to find top stock assets. You can find them easily. Okay, just Google them. But again, if you want to have it all in one place, together with editor and background remover, you may as well get it. Okay, I'm not saying it's like nonsense or scam or anything like that. They don't make any money claims, which I do like on the sales page. So nothing to make money online, from my perspective. Even though they are talking something here about traffic that I didn't really quite like, but okay, let's carry on reading. Never worry about copyrighted assets. Well, it's royalty free, so of course, all stock assets you need under one roof. Yeah, well, you will have plenty, that's true. What else? Customize and edit any stock asset for you or your client. Well, you can do it from inside of this platform, so you have it all together. Get more traffic, leads, and sales. What do they mean by that? What does it have to do with traffic? Maybe I am assuming that, that they meant that maybe you could make your projects, videos more engaging and fun because of these, like if you add some videos to them or this and that. Okay, maybe that's what they meant, and that this is gonna make your videos or projects more attractive, and hence that will bring more traffic. But they should be more clear here, because obviously this product has nothing to do with the traffic. If you want traffic, guys, because it's the traffic that makes money, right? If you're interested in that, stay with me till the end. I'll be talking about amazing offers later on. 3 amazing offers. Okay, what else did I say? Free commercial license, free agency license, 1 year money back guarantee, guys. Take it with a grain of salt. Be aware of it. It may be a struggle when you want to get refund. I have heard about complaints. I'm not saying this is going to be the case, but be aware of it and make sure you want the product, because if you want to refund it, it may be, a little bit frustrating. I'm just kind of warning you, speaking from my own experience. So, okay, if you want to buy it, just click here to buy now, and the link to the sales page will be below my review. Okay, so the step, they're talking about 2 simple steps. So step 1, enter the keyword to search the asset. Step 2, use it as it is, or use the editor included. Yeah, you can do that. And then step 3, use it whenever you want, or sell it to your clients because it comes with the commercial license. Okay, the sales page is extremely lengthy. I don't like it, but well, it is what it is. Here you have some frequently asked questions. Okay, so check it out. The sales page will be below my video. Okay, let me show you inside of the members area. So the dashboard is here, and then okay, so pay attention, guys, pay attention. Now to the left you will have high definition images, high definition videos. You can find stickers, you can find high definition vectors. This is background removal app, video editor, image editor, high definition, high quality site templates that you can download, high definition, high quality WordPress themes. WordPress comes with loads of themes anyway, but well, if you want some extra, you can get them from here. Mobile web templates, done for you video templates, support and tutorials. Okay, if I click on this, for now it shows error. Okay, but it's still 2 days until the launch, so maybe they will, I shall hope, they will add some tutorials. But what tutorials do you need? It's just simple stupid to use it. Okay, so let me just show you, because it does work. Okay, it's cool. So let's search for some images. Let's say cat. Okay, let's look for some images of cats. Okay, it's quite quick, I must say, and they are good quality. So it is high definition. What else? Then you can load more and more and more. Okay, and then if you click on this one, you can download as it is. or in high quality, right? Or download medium or low quality, or you can, like here you can share it on Facebook, Twitter. You have these options. I'm glad they don't, I mean, I do hope they don't mean this is your traffic or something. I mean, it could be, but, well, you know, we know it's a joke, right? But no, they're not talking here about traffic as much. It's just this one thing that, you know, I did not like when they say, get more traffic, leads and sales. But this is a bit unclear to me what they meant by it. Okay. But okay, let's just leave it for now. I'm just saying, you guys don't think this is going to bring you traffic, obviously. It's just royalty-free assets. That's all it is that you can use, you know, without any copyright issues. All right, you can use this. I mean, open it in editor. Okay, and do some editing, this and that. So, yeah, you're gonna have some fun here. And then you have the background removal. So you drag and drop a picture here. It's gonna remove your background. It's quite cool. I mean, like in Canva, if you wanted to do it, have this like background removal, you would have to actually pay for it. Like Canva is free and so much you can do in Canva, right? But yeah, for the background removal, you actually need to pay. You actually need to upgrade, you know, to Pro. But there are so many ways you can like I do it all the time, you know, on Google for free. Okay, let me show you alternatives, guys. You have, okay, let me show you. You have so many alternatives like Pixabay. Okay, you go on this platform, you see they might have taken even the pictures and videos from actually this website. Okay, do you know Pixabay, guys? If you don't, well, you know, it's cool. So much you can find for free here. So many royalty-free images, videos, and all of that. And then another one, there's Pixabay as well. There was another one. Where was it? I forgot, but guys, Google it. Seriously, like, royalty-free images, this and that, and so many platforms will come up. So yeah, Pixabay is the most popular one. It's stunning free images and royalty-free stock, you know, millions of high-quality stock images, videos, and music shared by our talented community, they say. And here, guys, obviously, if you go on Google, search for free background remover. I use it all the time. There's so many options. You just need to sign up, create an account, and you can use it, you know. But, well, having said that, guys, if you want to have it all in one place, you may as well get it. I'm not saying it's some rubbish or something. Okay, OTOs. Okay, front end 17, you can get $4 off. Then OTO number 1, 37, it's OTO number 1, yeah, OTO number 2 for 47, OTO number 3, 97, OTO number 4, 27, OTO number 5, 297, OTO number 3, 67, I don't like these many OTOs, okay, guys? But OTO number 1, what do they give? It's the Pro, with Pro features, watermarks removed. Okay, extra searchable assets, unlimited reseller rights, well, reseller rights. And some done for you addition. Guys, pause the video, read about the features. If you want to entertain it, go for it. I mean, I personally would not go for any of the upsells, probably. I'm just brutally honest. I mean, but again, it is what it is. It's just millions of high quality stock images and videos, you know, royalty-free audios as well, but I think they will come with some of the upsells, and then, you know, background removal, the editor, even though obviously you have it in your own PC or a free editor, you can do it for free, guys. You just need to use your brain. But, yeah, it is what it is. Nothing too complicated, nothing you could not do for free. Okay, guys, I promise you I'll give you some freebies. So guys, on my YouTube channel, okay, go under any of my videos. I'll put the link below this video as well, but let me just show you what I mean. Okay, so what I mean is go in the description box below any of my videos, and if you see this here, grab free professional courses, completely free here. Let me show you what it's gonna bring up for you. So, completely free, amazing courses I have purchased myself. I purchased the reseller rights and I give them away. Okay, I offer them to all of my viewers. They are free front-end offers, and on traffic generation, on affiliate marketing, and on email marketing secrets, how to actually hit the inbox, because this is critical. Amazing courses, ongoing support. Okay, all you need, the front end, will be free. There are some upsells if you decide this is for you, and they're very, very hands-on and super useful, only free. But you will decide for yourselves. The front end will be totally free, and it is value packed. Check them out, guys, if you're interested in making real money online. Okay, all you need to do is click on the links here, get yourself signed up, and enjoy the courses, devour the knowledge, and put it into action. And here you have various ways of contacting me as well. Okay. Also, should you have any questions with regards to these courses, just hit me up in the comments section. I'll get back to you once I see your comments, guys. Right, okay, so back to this, what was it called? StockMojo. Yeah, you can get it if you want. It's you will have it all together in one platform. It's cloud-based, software. Right, okay. Alright guys, hi again. So the link to StockMojo sales page will be below my review, and definitely check out those free courses. If you are seriously thinking of making money online, but seriously, it's for people who don't believe in get rich quick and all of that nonsense, for people who are prepared for the marathon. And yeah, so give me some YouTube love. Mwah, mwah. Kisses from not London, Poland for now. I'm still at my parents, chilling out. And yeah, any questions, just pop them down below. I'll get back to you once I see them. Thank you so much, and see you in my next video. Bye bye.